Hello? These are 5 websites that feel legal to know, and they're gonna get you paid. We not wasting no time. Like the video, subscribe. You did. At number 1, we got these are websites that feel illegal to know. I introduce you to clean up pictures. This one is self-explanatory. So first you take your picture, you drag it, you drop it here that you want to remove something from. I'm talking about anything you want, you highlight it, and just like that, it's gone. And so imagine if you had a business where you take e-commerce products for people, and then you can remove the labels and help them make mock-ups. And did I mention it's totally free? If you comment the word cleanup, I'm gonna send you everything you need. And make sure you join the AI school for daily tips. And follow the Session CA. You did! Yeah, number 2. These websites feel illegal to know. Now these are 3 things I bet you didn't know you get with Amazon Prime. Now the first one is Audible. I might be late to this, but you get Audible for free in your subscription. Yeah, it says Audible, free narration for hundreds of books in your Prime membership. And here's a little hack. If you ever want to cancel and you click that X, they're probably going to offer you 3 months for free. So Audible is the first thing you get that you didn't know you got. Don't be like me and pay for a separate membership. The second thing you get is gaming and streaming. You can actually get access to free games monthly, whether it's on Twitch or whatever, and you get free shows. Make sure you notify yourself about that before you go pay for Netflix and Hulu. And lastly, you get free movie tickets. Yeah, I said it's Prime Premiere, because I bet you didn't know about this. You get 2 free movie tickets, and all you have to do is go to upcoming movie theaters, and it shows you what's coming up in the theaters, and you get to print out your 2 free tickets simply by being a Prime member. If you want this website as well as the instructions on how to claim all this stuff for free, comment the word Amazon. I'm gonna send you everything you need, and make sure you follow your auntie and sister's favorite, Session CA. You did. Number 3. These are websites that feel illegal to know, but gonna get you paid. Time for us to get paid. The website, Logo Diffusion. And you see content that looks just like this, and this, and this. I'll show you how to make these type of logos in literal seconds. Let's go. So you literally can take text, like let's say I want to type in an abstract bird head, and it makes me this. Or even if you want to redesign this to this, as you see in real time, it can turn it into a cowboy, a robot, whatever you want. But one of my favorite things is I might take a Starbucks image, right? And I might take a 2D logo and turn it into a 3D illustration like this. As you see, it keeps turning this same Starbucks logo into different things in a matter of seconds. So now, next time you have a client that you need to make a logo for, you can literally take their picture, drag it here, and it turns it into a logo. You toss some font on there, boom, you're paid. If you want this tool for free, I want you to comment the word logo, and I'm gonna send you everything you need. Make sure you follow your auntie and sister's favorite, the Session CA, and make sure you check out the AI school today. It's right there on the website. You did. 4. Rise and grind, beautiful. These are websites that changed my life forever. Website's going to help you kill some time and become a pilot. So when you go here, there's a free application you can download, or you can come here and pick any of these planes and start flying around and explore the entire world for free. It's available in multiplayer and it's realistic. So if you want this, comment the word Geo, and I'm gonna send you this website for free. And make sure you join the AI school and follow your auntie and your sister's favorite, the Session CA. You did. And yes, we've reached the 5th, number 5. Let me know what you think about this last one. These sites right here changed my life forever. I'll show you how to get a free trainer using Muscle Wicky. Now this is gonna pick any part of the body. Yeah, I say any part. Let's say we want the chest. And then you go over here and it shows you clicked off the boobs. Now you want to click what equipment do you want to use. You want to use kettlebells, medicine balls. You know what? Let's do cables. So now as you see, it automatically populates videos using the cables, doing the workout you want. So you get a free trainer with endless videos, endless information. And if this isn't enough with all the demonstrations, guess what you get? Articles and all the other resources here. If you want this website, comment the word gym. I'm gonna send you everything you need for free. And make sure you join the AI school and follow your auntie and sister's favorite, the Session CA. You did. I know you enjoyed the video. I know you did. Let me know, comment your favorite one of these tools below. I have the links to every one of these tools in the description. You don't gotta look nowhere, search nowhere. I got what you need. You hear me? We're feeding the streets. We're helping you escape the matrix one way or another. Let's change this mindset. If you need a one-on-one with the kid, you see the link for that in the description. We're on the road to 300,000 amazing family members here on YouTube. Let's run it up. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.